Psychology says people who have no friends are often misunderstood, not broken, not antisocial, and not failures. In many cases, their brain works in a way that makes normal social life feel draining, shallow, or simply unnecessary. And if you've gone long periods without friends, there are real psychological reasons behind it. 1. They have a higher standard for connection. People without friends usually aren't avoiding relationships, they're avoiding surface level relationships. Psychology shows that individuals with deeper thinking patterns prefer quality over quantity. They don't want small talk, fake friendships, or draining personalities. So instead of forcing social connections that feel empty, they choose to stay alone until they find something real. 2. Their brain needs more recovery. Time. Some people naturally have a more sensitive nervous system, meaning social situations drain them faster than others. Psychology calls this high social sensitivity. After interacting, their brain needs longer breaks to recharge. This doesn't mean they dislike people. Their brain simply burns more energy during social contact. 3. They're more self-sufficient than average. Many people with no friends don't rely on social validation to feel good. Psychology calls this low social dependency. They can entertain themselves, solve problems alone, and find comfort within their own mind. Instead of needing a circle around them, they create their own world, and they're often happier than people expect. 4. Past experiences shape their trust. Threshold. People with no friends often have one thing in common: a past experience that made them cautious. It could be betrayal, childhood neglect, or simply being surrounded by the wrong people for too long. Psychology shows that once trust is broken, the brain becomes protective and selective. This doesn't mean they can't form friendships. They just think twice before giving someone access to their life. 5. They have a deeper inner world. Psychologists say people who spend long periods alone usually have a stronger inner world, richer imagination, sharper intuition, more clarity, and deeper self-awareness. They think more, observe more, and feel more. This depth can make regular social circles feel unrelatable. So, if you have no friends or very few, it doesn't always mean something is wrong with you. It might simply mean your mind works differently, with more awareness, more sensitivity, more depth, and higher standards for connection. And sometimes the people with the strongest minds walk alone for a while. If you want more psychology videos that explain your personality in ways school never taught you, hit that subscribe button right now, because the next video might reveal something about yourself you've never realized.